So most people are saying programming is very difficult. Okay, I agree. But let me show you exactly how I started. How I started from scratch as a beginner programmer. So let's go into the video. Okay, here, this is my current file, the one I've been using to do practicals. But for the purpose of this video, let's create a new file here. You go up here. Okay, this is a new file, right? We'll name it hello.html, and that's because we are writing HTML program, so we must call the HTML. So we're going to save it here. The file is created. Now, this is where we start our code. Our first line of code. We start with less than idoc type. Oh, we missed something. Actually, this doc type html, right? We'll close it with a greater than sign, right? So we call it html. Don't always forget this tag, html. This less than and greater than is the closing tag for it, so it will go down. So every HTML page has a head, the title, and a body. So this is, we start HTML right now. So we go to the head, right? This is it. This is a head. Then in between the head is where we have the title. Here will not be title, right? So then we input our title here. Let's call it school. And why is because this is what the browser is going to display at the top. So whenever you come to the page, you see that this page is a school, right? So whatever you're going to see about the page belongs to a school. So from this title, what next do? We head to body. Yes, right, body. Now from this body, this is where we have our header. That is the header of the page. It's called h1. Yeah, this is the open and the closing tag, h1. Then what do we want? Let's call it student registration form, right? So this is our heading of the page, and this one is the page title. Don't forget, this one is the page title, and this one is the heading of the page. So far, let's save our work. You don't need to learn everything at once. You take it step by step, one step at a time. So let's review what you have done so far. Let me see how it will display. You can see it, right? So this is our first line of code, student registration form. This is what we just did. Let's go back to our code here. See it, right? This is it. This is the student registration form, and this school as the title. Let me show you where it will appear. See it here, up here like this, school. You can see it there. So that is the work of that one. It will display it at the top as the title, as the page, this thing address. So is the school. So this is how to actually write HTML code. If you are following it like this, it will be very, very simple. So if you are interested in learning HTML from beginning, from scratch, as a beginner, comment learn in the comment section. And basically, if you have a PC, right, personal computer, it will be very, very easy for you to learn HTML, and it will be very fun because it's practical and it's kind of like a game. So if you're interested in learning, comment learn in the comment section, and every day I'll be coming here to drop a little practical video on how you can start HTML basic, CSS, PHP, Bootstrap, right? We'll start from there. So thank you, and make sure you share this video. See you in my next video.